grilled corn and zucchini salad with heirloom tomatoes and basil. Now, grilling the zucchini and the corn will take salt, pepper and a little bit of olive oil, a cake, grill and an open flame. If you want to do it on a barbecue, go ahead, but this is quite an effective way and adds a wonderful flavour. Make sure that the corn is nice and brown and that the zucchini softens. That's how you know it's cooked. Removing the corn from the cob, breaking it up and placing it into a bowl. Heirloom cherry tomatoes are always wonderful. There's so many different colours and flavours and textures. Sun-dried tomatoes, including the oil, some organic maple syrup, a little bit of olive oil, and then Ceylon black tea, which amongst other things is incredible to keep your blood sugar down. Now you can arrange it, season it well with a little bit of lemon, a little bit of lime and some crushed fresh garlic. Stir well and assemble. Roasted corn and zucchini salad paired with Dilmah's Yata Watte tea.